Hey, how y'all doing, man? It's Fast Movers RC TV, and back with another video. And this one is about the MIP Bypass1 Pistons for your shocks. Let y'all check them out. Yeah, so I've heard a lot about these Pistons, and I always wanted to try them out, so I finally got a chance to try them out. They're the 6 holes sets, 16 millimeters, and therefore the Sworkz. So we're gonna go ahead and pop them in and see how we do. But just stay tuned real quick, man, and I'll undo the package and let y'all see what it comes with. All right, peace.
Pick up the money and tell them
All right, here we go. So we got the 4 pistons here. They're, like I say, 6-hole pistons. And these are the washers and the screws that you use to assemble it with. And it also has the directions, comes with the directions on how you assemble it, which is pretty good there. And on the other side is actually how you can tune the pistons with these valves that are color coded right here. Let's see that green for fast rebound, blue for medium rebound, and the clear for low rebound. So basically, and I'll show you that right here. So yeah, the blue is for, like, the all around track conditions, basically the ones that you would start with. And then if it's a bumpy or more, less grip, low grip, real bumpy track, then you would go to the green valves. And then for like a smooth blue groove high grip track, you would try to clear. So, and also you can also mix them up. You can put like blues in the rear and clear in the front, or however, you could, test and experiment with them. But that's basically it on those 3. I'm gonna start out with the blues all the way around, just to test them out and see how they do there. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble these bad boys and get them in my shocks, and I'm gonna put some TLR fluid in here, shock fluid. Always my favorite to use for shocks. Put 32, what's that? Yeah, 32.5 weight for the rear, and 37.5 for the front. See how that goes with it. But yeah, so I'll probably do another video. Well, I know I'm gonna do another video once I either make it to the track for testing or my next race. I'll do a follow-up on these and tell you how they actually handle on the car. But yeah, so y'all just stay tuned, man. And you like the content that you see, please don't hesitate. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, comment and tell me what you think. Like I say, I have a lot of these coming in the future. I'll be racing here in about a week or 2. So I'll give more in depth on, how it actually handles on the car compared to the regular pistons that I have on there. All right, man, so y'all just stay tuned And yeah, so I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.